Don't do the mistake I did by not giving more stress to cardio and running, because I used to run very less. And keep running, make your heart move faster. It's good for you in the long run. Really, keep on. Your functional training is much, much more important than your weight training.
Yeah.
But weight is equally important.
My name is Shruti. I am 24 years old. I am a dancer, athlete, and I'm from Bangalore, but I'm Malayali. We're Malayalis.
My name is Yadu. I'm 34 years old. I'm a Malayali from Cochin, but I've been in Bangalore for almost a decade now. So, and I work in the public sector in manufacturing, and yeah, that's about it about us on that level.
We're gym bros.
Gym
We're
bros.
friends.
The gym bros.
Gym bros.
Gym bros.
So I've been dancing since I was 5 years old. I don't consider that fitness. That's something I love. And I've been doing it since I was 5, and I was an athlete in school, everywhere. So, but I stopped in between when college started. We all get into shit in college, right? That happened, but I not rediscovered. I went back to what I'm meant to do. I'm meant to be running and sweating and telling the world that "F you, I'm a winner."
I'm gonna bleep that out. Yeah, I got into fitness very late, like in college maybe. I was in maybe a bad place and all, in going through it. I was a really scrawny kid, very skinny. I was not even like this. You know what people go through that age, college, depression and all that. The gym kind of saved me in a sense. Like I got a routine built in. I started seeing improvements and I started getting that confidence. I started from that early age and I've been regular, but I wouldn't say I wasn't progressing that much. I was just happy. Being in the gym was my happy place.
Absolutely amazing.
It's something everybody should give a do. I mean, give an attempt. And you don't have to be a gym freak or anything to be in this. It's more about endurance. I would say concentrate more on your general fitness of running. Get into functional training more than weight training. Weight training is excellent, by the way.
Yeah.
You need a proper balance of
Balance.
both, and it's fun competing with people, no, and pushing each other on. I like everybody. Even if you're competing, they were like, no, 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 come on, guys, let's do
Yeah.
it. Run, and that was there.
And that's what this community is about. Even this place, everybody's supporting each
Everybody
other.
supported. So
That's all-
nice.
yeah, that's
So
all.
nice how they all tell you, no, no, you can do it, you can do it, you keep going. They tell you, you're making, suppose you're about to make a mistake, no, no, that way, that way.
Yeah.
It's all very good here.
Yeah, and the
Love this
management
community.
also
Superb.
beautiful.
Superb.
Super happy with how well this was organized. Super happy. I'm going to
You can
complain
span the
about this.
You can span the camera there
You
and show
should.
that thing.
The ball,
The
the
ball
ball
toss.
throw was.
I mean, we made good time till there, but then
We were fast, okay.
yeah,
But there, like, first of all, the ball was really big for a 6 kg ball, guys.
It was
This was the
slipping.
size. It was slipping and it was really high.
but I think that is the challenge.
I mean, the irony, it's an irony, but it's too high.
I mean, it felt, but I like the way how the challenges were placed, specifically like push, pull, that way, so that you wouldn't be too strained in one part of your body when you go to the next one. That good gap of 2 laps is very nice.
Yeah.
That
And
was
the
brilliant.
easiest was box jump.
I
We
think
were
you can
done
increase
with
the
seconds.
reps on that, make it more challenging. If you
Yeah,
want.
there was
Box
very
jump
less
is-
reps.
Yeah,
Very easy box
and,
jumpers.
And we self-doubted ourselves in the push and the pull, but completing that was more of the first thing done. Oh, I mean, we can do this.
Yeah.
That showed us we can do it.
Yeah, easy. I
For her,
love
for me, it was really hard.
It was very easy.
I'm going to tell everybody who's in their 30s, who's just getting in, keep running, please.
Don't do it because you have to get cardio, and guys,
Don't do ego lifting.
run because just because you are meant to. We are human beings who
Find people to run with. That's
Yeah.
more enjoyable,
Yeah,
I would.
yeah.
Join run clubs,
Yeah.
whatever.
do whatever. I like running alone.
Some people like running, some
But-
groups. Do whatever, but
Do
run.
however, but run.
Run is the main thing.
Run to live.
I mean, it was amazing. Like, the moment we found 75th rep of that ball, it's done. It's done. We could hear a lot of cheering from here and there, and then we went to the stage. We were crawling onto the stage, but on stage was.
So good.
Yeah, this guy took excellent photos of us, so we
Yeah.
felt even more pumped. Something, a tick in the box, it's done.
Yeah.
One done, one down, another one pending. Another will come, another will be done.
what makes me a warrior is me consistently doing it no matter what. I think
you will
that's
fail. Keep
you
failing.
will fail, you will fall, you will cry
Yeah.
throughout this, but you will know that you're a better person the next day, and that's all that matters.
Unless you do it, you will never know.
Yeah.
Unless you actually go out there and do it, you're never gonna know what potential you have. So
Yeah.
please,
All of us are
whatever doubt you
all of
have,
us are warriors.
just go, do it.
Do it.
Fail once, twice. You just every failure is just you getting better. That's it. People doubted us along, no? A lot of our time, people have always doubted. You know, you see that small guy, this thing. Can you? Can you? Showing them we can. Just telling them we can. You know, don't
Fuck
doubt
yeah.
everybody. Don't judge a guy just from his looks or his height or whatever like that. Don't judge anyone.
Strong as shit.
She too.
Yeah.
Each and every one person here actually. Anybody
everybody's
who's
strong.
actually registered to come here to do it,
Is a
the
good-
strongest and the bravest people I know.
So I'm grateful that he did this with me. That
I'm glad
you
she
guys
asked
are
me
doing
to
this
because
for
I didn't even
all
know
of
about
us.
it. She just said she wanted. I like cool something every year. I want to do something every year like this. At least something.
Very
And
happy.
very
I can't wait
happy.
to do it again.
मैं योद्धा